Oh, this is a random country guy. I'm gonna videotape this awesome thingy.
Wait.
Don't know what it's called. What's it called, Dad? A circle?
Oh, hi there.
It's where they ride ATVs. You ready?
We're gonna be driving on this
Oh crap.
awesome trail. So you guys can be here.
Oh yeah, that was freaking
Check
sweet.
this crap out.
I don't know if you guys can see. Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Oh crap. Oh my gosh.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah. Oh freaking. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys got to. Oh.
Okay, we gotta go again.
Oh gosh.
Just ride with us for a minute.
Sorry about the motion. I can't really get a good view.
Well, that's it for now. This will be part 1 of part